Okay, this video I'm going to be showing you how to make use of this flight booking website. Okay, so note this flight website, it is very powerful, and it have a full feature, live chat, company email and all. So one thing about this live chat, let me break it down. One benefit of this live chat, you feel your client fee book flight from this website. Say some client dey when be say, man, that they fix the thing too cost, it too dey expensive. So no need to follow the argue. Just give them this website, then they go by themselves book for the flight when they want. You understand? So and some people still dey when be say they book for flight, all those celebrity and all. You fit work as affiliate. You fit dey let them know say you dey book flight, all those things. So you fit even make it affiliate, like somebody want book flight, the price of that flight. Then if the price is $1,000, you can as well come and post it here on your website at the rate of $1,500. So anybody will patronize you from here, then you get $500 profit. So different ways to use this flight booking website. Now let's go to the client arena, the client side. The client want book flight from this site. Say some client dey say, give me money make I take book flight come. You go say no, they prefer me they book am by themselves. So just give them the link, let them book it by themselves. Then they will book the flight ticket. After booking the flight ticket, the flight company, which is the email, then you can email the payment details after you don't book am. Once you don't book am, you go still see am for admin say you don't book am. So this flight booking website, e get tracking. You fit track am. You fit track the flight online, just like tracking shipment, all those things. You fit track am, then the passenger go appear, the detail, the location, the name, everything go appear. You understand? So now let us log in to the admin. Okay. Then you enter the password of the admin, you log in. So this is the admin dashboard. Okay, now if you want, before you give out to client, make sure you don't create available flight. Like for example, now you are going to London, from United States to London. Okay, so what you just need to do, just come to all flights. So you see all flights. This one are the flight when we say we don't add as default example. Okay, now you want to add new flight. Not be say your client they go US, you can't go add Canada. So make sure where you they go. If you are going from Turkey to US, make sure na Turkey to US you go put for here. You don't understand? So we are going to create new flight now. So new flight, the airline name, what is the name of the airline? So Air California. We can use Air California, Air Zimbabwe, Air France, Asia. So all the name of flight dey here. You can say if you are going from Turkey to US, United States, then you just say Turkish airline. Then plane number, you indicate the plane number. Any number when you add for here, now go appear for the plane number. Okay, you can make it 10 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now the departure location. Where are you departing from? You are departing from Turkey. Okay, Turkey Istanbul Airport. Okay, then arrival location. Then where are you going to arrive? Don't forget you are going to United States. You also say United States. Okay, Atlanta. Then if you are flying from Turkey, you'll be arriving at Atlanta, Georgia, United States. Okay, so you check it. Departure time, indicate the departure time. Okay, for example, we are moving on the 1st, which is November, on the 1st. Then the arrival time, we are still arriving on the 1st. Then towards evening, Okay, then the seat number, you put any number there. Not forget the number when you put for here, now go appear for the other side. Let me just use seat number 12. Then the price, now here be the cocoa for inside. The price when you want may the client pay, now I go there here. So me, I will put $1,500. Okay, so you save it. So you don't save her now. So after you don't save her, how you go to check this available flight? Then you go to the client view. So you see the client view, you see an available flight. Once you click on available flight, you see the flight. Scroll down, you see the flight here, Istanbul airport to United States, Atlanta. You can see it. So the amount $1,500. So if you want to talk to the customer care, if you talk to the customer care, say, how do I make payments? Let, for example, now you be the client. How do I make payments? Then you go get notification for your phone. You reply to the client. So it is very easy. Now, book now. The client go book. Now this link, this available flight link, now you dey send give your client when you want book flight. So if the client don't click and you don't see am like this, you go click on book now, because you don't see am say Turkish airline from Turkey to United States. So now wetin dey find, make sure say na wetin client dey find na you will put, na the flight you make available for this website, for inside the admin, just the way I take do am just now. Now you come go book now as the client. Me, I'm working as the client now. You click on book now. So person, how many person? 1, 2, how many una be? Me, I be one person, so I want just one. So you indicate one, then you click go. Then you customer you fill the name. Then let us fill the name DPZ web. Then mobile number, indicate the mobile number there. Then email, dpzweb@gmail.com. So the passport number, your passport number, you indicate am there. Then the gender, you be man, be woman, be man. Then luggage size, 1.5 to 15 kg when I want carry fly. So you indicate the United States address. If you say block C73 Cash Road, Texas, United States. So you save. Immediately you save like this, the flight you don book. You understand? Booking confirmation. We are happy to report to you a successful booking. You have been booked on a direct flight from our website to your destination. Includes our airline ticket for Aerofly Limited. Please check your email for attached complimentary ticket. Congratulations. You can see it. So is either you check your email, so you can go your admin now. Then you can go click book flight. Book flight. You see the flight for there. So it's here DPZ web. Then you copy the flight tracking number. Okay, now we have created the flight now. Okay, now you can just track any number. You can just track any number. You can just track any number. Okay, let's say track. Okay, go to home page, track number. You paste the tracking number, you check now. Okay, hello, we are validating your booking details. Wow, you see, so welcome Gali MCG. See, you see the details, everything you show, see the amount. Very easy. For all those clients who be say that they argue, they don't want make they send you money, give them the link, make them book am by themselves. You understand? So you can also work as affiliate. Look for other company when they book flight. If the amount be $1,000, indicate your own to 1,500 or 1,400. Then make the book from your website, then you can go book am for them for the real website, that is affiliate. Please, this website is meant for educational purpose and for legit purpose. Thank you so much. I remain DPZ Web International Limited.